In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions quickly in draw.io. If you've ever moved a shape the wrong way, deleted something by accident, or changed a color you didn't mean to, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to fix it. We're keeping things simple and focused so you can get right back to designing with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to draw.io, which also appears as diagrams.net. It works right in the browser, so there's nothing to install. If you already have a diagram, open it up. If you're starting fresh, pick a blank canvas or a template. Either way, once the editor loads, you're ready to follow along. Now here's the entire trick. Whenever you make a change you don't like, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. On a Mac, that's Command+Z. This is the universal undo shortcut, and it instantly reverses your most recent action. It works for almost everything in draw.io, moving shapes, resizing, rotating, deleting, changing colors or line styles, and even edits inside text boxes. If you need to go back more than one step, just press the shortcut again to keep walking back through your recent actions, one change at a time. If you prefer using the mouse, look for the curved arrow pointing left in the toolbar at the top of the editor. That's the undo button. Clicking it does the same thing as the shortcut, and it can be helpful if your hands are already on the mouse. A couple of quick pointers to make undo behave exactly the way you expect. Make sure the draw.io tab is active and that you've clicked anywhere on the canvas so the app has focus. Otherwise, the shortcut might not register. If you're typing inside a text label, undo will first back out your recent typing within that text box, which is usually what you want. And remember, undo is context aware. If you just nudged an object, undo will pop it right back into place. Undo is most helpful when you use it immediately after an unwanted change, so don't hesitate to press it the moment something looks off. Also, keep in mind that the undo history lives in your current session. If you refresh the page or close the tab, that history is cleared, so it's a good habit to save your work regularly as you go. And that's it. Open draw.io, make your edits, and if anything goes wrong, Ctrl+Z brings you right back. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.